Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Recently I was getting a lot of messages and requests regarding a budget neckband, and after testing a few budget neckbands, I'm going to show you today my personal favorite these days, and it's the pTron 10 Plus version 2. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the pTron branding along with the picture of the neckband. And here we have the model name 10 Plus, and it's a deep bass wireless neckband. And this neckband offers 18 hours of playback time. At the back of the box we have the key features such as 10mm driver, 220 mAh battery which can be fully charged in just 1 hour, and the standby time of this neckband is 200 hours. And here we can see that this neckband is IPX4 water resistant. The MRP of this neckband is 2699. However, you can get it easily for under Rs 900 from Amazon. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the neckband itself. The packaging is also pretty good, keeping in mind that it's an entry-level product. We will look at the neckband in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get this thank you card, and here we have the user guide, and it has the detailed info about the pairing and button controls. And then we get the Type-C charging cable, which is again an advantage, and I'm really happy to see the Type-C port in this neckband. After that we have two pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the neckband closely. pTron 10 Plus is a budget neckband. Looking at the quality, though it's a budget product, but the build quality is very good. The neckband feels nice and very lightweight, which will make it easy to carry around your neck. Now in terms of the overview, on both sides of the neckband we have the pTron branding, and here on this side we have the buttons which are the power and volume button, and below it we have the Type-C charging port under this cover. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds which comes with this fin tip design, and because of the fin tips you will get a snug fit, which is for sure an advantage while working out. In terms of the other details, we have the Bluetooth 5.0 and 10mm driver in this neckband. The earbuds are magnetic but doesn't offer auto pause and play support, which is expected in this price range. So overall in terms of the design and quality, I'm happy with this neckband. The design is good and the build quality is much better than other neckbands in this price segment. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on, and for pairing, you just need to go to the add device section and tap on the pTron BT name, and here it is connected with our phone. Now let me quickly show you the button controls. So you can pause and play music by single pressing the power button. You can increase the volume by single pressing the plus button, and you can decrease the volume by single pressing the minus button. Long pressing the minus button will take you to the next soundtrack, and long pressing the plus button will take you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by long pressing the power button for 2 seconds. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. So starting with the comfort, as mentioned earlier, the neckband is very lightweight, and due to the in-ear design with fin tips, the earbuds are really comfortable to use for long hours. Now talking about the sound quality, there is definitely some bass in this neckband. So you get good highs and lows, and the volume is very loud. And it's that loud that I was using this neckband at 70 to 80% volume most of the time. The instrument separation is good but not that great. But again, keeping in mind the pricing, overall this neckband performs really good. And if you like bassy output, then you will love the output of this neckband. We have also tested this neckband while watching movies, and there also we found the clarity was very good. And also, there was no lag in audio while watching movies on Netflix and other streaming platforms. However, there is a significant lag while playing games, so we won't be recommending this neckband for gaming. But for daily usage, which includes casual music listening and watching movies and videos, this is the neckband you should check out, especially if your budget is under 1000 rupees. And lastly about the mic clarity, I've taken some voice and video calls with it, and the clarity of the mic is decent, so you can definitely use it for voice and video calls. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget neckband under Rs 1000 for your daily usage which offers good sound quality and comfort, then do check out the latest pTron 10 Plus version 2. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the review of the pTron 10 Plus version 2. Let us know if you like this neckband, and also if you have any queries or questions about this neckband, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.